Hello and welcome back to Ionic 3 apps for WooCommerce. In the last lecture, we created our WooCommerce provider, and now it's time to bring in this provider into our Ionic application. The first thing we'll do is import it in our app.module.ts file. So I'll just import it right here. And once it is imported, you need to pass it into your providers array. So right at the end of my providers array, I'll put in a comma and I'll type in WooCommerce provider. That's it. Save your app.module.ts file and you can close this file. Now we are ready to use our provider in our pages. So first of all, I'll head over to my menu.ts page and I'll import this provider. Okay, now that you have imported the provider, you need to instantiate it by passing it through your constructor. So right here at the end of your constructor, you just need to type in private and then the name of the instance, which can actually be whatever you want. So I'll just type in WP for WooCommerce provider, and this will be of the type WooCommerce provider. Okay. Now we need to initialize this .WooCommerce object using this WP provider. So I'll just type in this.WooCommerce is equal to wp.init, which is the function that will return us an initialized object for WooCommerce API. So let's save this and see if this works. If this works, we should get all the categories listed inside our side menu. And there we go. We have got all our categories and subcategories inside our menu. If you are wondering about these subcategories, I have updated the corresponding code on the GitHub repo, so make sure that you check it out. It just contains a few lines of code. So this if statement right here creates a subcategories array inside our categories, and then I have modified menu.html as well accordingly. So I have added this ion item and our application then just displays subcategories within each category. So that's it. Let's do the same thing in our home.ts file as well. So I'll just come back to my menu.ts, copy this import for WooCommerce provider, paste it inside my home.ts, and I'll also pass it inside my constructor. And instead of initializing our WooCommerce API right here, all I have to do now is just type in this.WooCommerce is equal to wp.init. So make sure you do this in all your pages, and as you save, your application will still work just as it was working before. You can see that I still get all my products in the home page, and I also get all the categories in my menus. So that's it. That's how you can use providers and reduce the workload. So now if any of the credentials for your WooCommerce API change, all you have to do is go to your woocommerce.ts, which is your provider, and just make a change in this file, and all the pages will pick up those changes automatically. That's it for this video, and this concludes this module. Make sure that you check out the code in the GitHub repo. All the code for this and the last two lectures has been updated inside the GitHub repo. So make sure that you check out the corresponding branches. Thanks for watching.